Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset the settings of your Visual Studio's code to the default settings. So it is a very easy process. So the first thing you need to do is head on to the settings gear icon at the bottom left, then click here, and from here go to the settings, and then inside the settings you can see this option of a file which says open settings in JSON. So simply click on this icon, and here you can see that it has all of the settings that we have changed. So the only thing you need to do is simply delete everything apart from these curly braces. That is because in order to run the JSON file, these two are needed. So simply delete these particular lines and just leave them like this. So that's it for the process. And the next thing you can do is close your Visual Studio's code, and if it asks you to save the file, simply save it, and then what you need to do is restart your Visual Studio's code. So we are gonna relaunching our Visual Studio's code, and here you can see that all my settings have been successfully returned to the default values. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.